we're simulating we've lost the key. It's locked from the outside, but fortunately we can get at it from the interior, and this lever here will allow us to release it. Okay, so that's pushed the mechanism the right way, and now I can unscrew. The side screw. And you can see the unit now drops, so it'll now push all the way out. Okay, so it's this lever here.